it's Gillian, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an honest review of a bunch of slimes that I picked up from Slime New York. So starting off in the package was this little care sheet which came with a little baggie of borax and some little Starburst lollies, and then it also had this really cute bag of extras. So inside here we just had some squishies, so this is the first one, and then this one was so cute. It was like a baby chick and it was adorable, and then there was also a ring pop and then some gummy bears. So the first slime I picked up is Mint to Be, and this is a 3-ounce slime, and I think it's called a mochi slime. So it has these little, I think they're called pom-poms in here, which give it a really awesome texture, and then it's just a lovely light mint color with some pink glitter in it, and it's scented like a really subtle mint, and it's really nice and soft and really nice and pokey, which I like. And the cool little like fur balls, they call them fur balls, I think they're little pom-poms, in this slime kind of made it feel like a stress ball and gave it an awesome texture. Up next we have a Fairy Dust Blob, and this is one of my favorites just because it's so glittery and pretty. So this is a 2-ounce clear slime, and then it's just got some really fine iridescent purple glitter mixed in, and I really like this slime. I did have to activate it quite a bit because mine had melted, but that's okay. And here it is once it's all mixed together. As you can see, it totally has fairy vibes like the name would suggest, and I really like this slime. Up next we have Frozen Blue Hawaiian Slime, and this is a 6-ounce slime, and this was originally supposed to be a 3-toned slime, so there were 3 different shades of slime in this, but mine came a little mixed due to shipping. So when mixed, this slime gave it a really soft buttery texture. I did like the scent. It smelled a little bit like medicine to me, so it's definitely not one of my favorites, but I loved how soft and stretchy this slime was, and it was also super clicky, which I liked. Up next we have Sweet Tarts, and this is a 3-ounce, and it's another one of my favorite slimes today. So this is a slushy slime, so it's got slushy beads in it, and then it's got these little pops of pink from these little pink beads, and you can also see that there's some little glittery hearts in there as well. I loved the subtle sweet scent in this slime. I'm not a big fan of overpowering scents, so I did like how subtle this one was. It was also really stretchy and really crunchy, and I had a lot of fun playing with this slime. The next slime I picked up is called Candy Shop, and it's a 6-ounce clay-based slime, and it's topped with small and large foam beads, and I love how bright they are. And I really like this slime. It smelled really sweet. It literally smells like candy, like the name would suggest. I liked the texture that the foam beads gave this slime. I've always liked slimes that have small and large foam beads in it. I just think it makes it really crunchy and a little bit different. So this slime was so much fun to play with. So this one here is another one of my favorites just because of how beautiful it is, and this is called Glass Slipper and it's a 6-ounce slime, and as you can see it's a clear base slime and then it has some really pretty iridescent flakes in it, and I'm totally getting Cinderella vibes from this slime. It's also scented really sweetly but it's super subtle. This slime was also great for bubble pops and I just love the way the iridescent flakes looked when the light would hit them. I just think it's so beautiful. Then I picked up a blueberry yogurt mochi squish slime. So this is another mochi slime and this is a 6-ounce and this smelled exactly like a blueberry yogurt, which I thought was really cool. It was a very nice glossy stretchy slime and it was so clicky. I had so much fun playing with this slime and I love the texture of these little pom-poms. Up next we have a clear base slime and this is called Twinkle Crunch and it's a 3-ounce, and I was very interested to try this slime because I've never played with a slime before that had these large, I guess they're like sequins or flakes, and these are some really pretty opalescent iridescent flakes which I liked. I'm not sure if I was a massive fan of this. It did give it a very crunchy and interesting texture. I don't know, it just kind of felt a little bit funny in my hands when I was playing with it, but it was definitely a beautiful slime every time the light would hit these pretty iridescent flakes. Up next we have probably the slime that I was most excited to try, and this is called Unicorn Hot Chocolate and it's an 8-ounce, and I did really like the texture of this slime. It was supposed to, I think, be two-toned, but again mine came mixed due to shipping, and it kind of felt like frosting when it was mixed and it was a really nice texture. The only thing that kind of let me down about this slime was the fact that it was $18 US, and I guess I was just expecting something a little bit more. The picture on the website, I don't know, I just thought it was going to come separately, like I'd get the frosting separately and I could make it like that, but it came all mixed. I don't know, I was just a little bit disappointed with this slime, but it was still really nice texture. And as always, I want to be 100% honest with you guys with my thoughts on these slimes, but I'm seriously still having so much fun playing with this slime. It was also a really nice light sweet scent and I loved the pops of color from the sprinkles. Then we have this adorable little slime, and this is called Duckling Blob, and it's a 2-ounce slime, and it's clear base with some really pretty iridescent orange glitters, and then it has the cutest little duck charm, and you guys know I love slimes that come with duck charms, so I really like this. So this is an unscented slime, and it was just really fun to play with. It was also very clicky, which I liked, and it was just a really cute little slime. This one was so sweet. So I hope you enjoyed today's slime review. Let me know in the comments below if there are any slime shops in particular that you would like me to review in the future. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!